Hello everyone, my name is Askar Basha. Today we are going to discuss about gravitation. Gravity is nothing but the attractive force between two objects separated by a distance. It helps us for walking, swimming, jumping, etc. For an example, if we drop the pen from a height, it will fall vertically downward. What is the reason for that? The reason is there is an attractive force existing between the pen and the earth. This is the reason for the motion. Also, when we are dropping the pen, the velocity of pen is zero. And when the pen hit the earth surface, it possesses some velocity. The reason for this change in velocity is there is some acceleration existing in the motion. This acceleration is called acceleration due to gravity, and it is denoted by small g. Its value is 9.81 meter per second square on Earth. Why I specified on Earth? Because every planet having different values of acceleration due to gravity. Let us consider about the solar system. All the planets are rotating around the sun. What's the reason for that? The reason is there is an attractive force existing between the sun and each planet. This is why planets are rotating around the sun in a specified path. Also, there is an attractive force existing between the each and every planets with each other. That's why no planets are colliding or hitting. So every planet is having a different orbits for the rotation. This reason is gravitation. And another doubt also everyone having. All the planets are rotating around the sun. But moon is rotating around the earth. What is the reason for that? We know that according to Newton's second law, force is nothing but the product of mass and acceleration. That is F is equal to ma. Therefore, acceleration is equal to F by m. From where we can clearly know that acceleration is inversely proportional to the mass. So when we compare Sun and the Earth, Sun having a very huge mass as compared to Earth. So Sun possesses a very small acceleration, while the Earth is considerably less mass than Sun, so it possesses a considerable acceleration. Similarly, in the case of Earth and the Moon, Earth having a huge mass as compared to the Moon. That's why Earth possesses a very low acceleration, while the Moon having less mass, so it having a considerable acceleration. That's why the Earth is rotating around the Sun and the Moon is rotating around the Earth. Similarly, when we drop the pen possesses an attractive force towards the Earth, and the Earth possesses an attractive force towards the pen. But mass of the Earth is as huge as compared to the mass of the pen. That's why pen possesses acceleration. Both the attractive forces are equal, but that they are opposite in direction. We can measure this attractive force with the help of universal law of gravitation. Universal law of gravitation states that every object in the universe attracts every other object in the universe with a force which is directly proportional to product of their masses and inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. That means, let us consider an object A with the mass m1, another object B with the mass m2 are separated by a distance d, where d is the distance between the center of A and center of B, not the distance between the periphery. F is proportional to product of their masses. That means F is proportional to m1 into m2, and the F is inversely proportional to d square. That is, F is proportional to m1 m2 by d square. We have to take off this proportionality, so we are introducing a constant in that. That constant is universal gravitational constant and denoted by capital G. So F equal to G m1 m2 by d square, where the value of G is 6.674 into 10 raised to minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. What is our weight? Weight is nothing but it is the attractive force between our body and the Earth. So it will vary on different planets. Let's consider. We know that F is equal to ma. We can replace the attractive force is here weight, and the acceleration is acceleration due to gravity. So formula for the weight equal to W equal to m into g, where g is the acceleration due to gravity. We know that the attractive force depends on the mass and the distance between them. In the case of weight, our mass is constant, but in different planets we are having different weights, because different planets having different masses, and the distance from our body and the planet is nothing but the radius of the planet. So radius of the planet also differ. So this is why we are having different attractive forces in different planets. That's why we are having different weights on the different planets.